This is our 6th wedding today. So, nagpakasaya talaga this upcoming week. Anyway, greetings. Good afternoon again. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitment to those who are near and dear to us. Sige ako, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted within these couples? Kada kung contracting a wedding, no awan. Very good at Sir Lionel, both hands. Okay, hawak mo na. Wala mo tayo. Ma'am, yan. Okay? Ma'am Jo Melin, tama? Are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Okay. Lionel, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be?
Yes, sir.
Very good. O, sige nga duwa. You take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? We do. We do. Okay. So, sige. Example, Lionel, will you have Ma'am Jomelyn to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Okay. Ma'am Jomelyn, will you have Sir Lionel to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Ay, sing-sing po kayo. Sige, follow after me po. Mauna ko, Sir Lionel. Mauna ka, sasabihin ko po, ibang niya baga. I give you. Yeah. I give you this ring.
I give you this ring
as a sign
of
my vow. And all that I have. I honor you. Follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my all that I have. I honor you. Sige. Sige ba? Sumagot tayo ba dyan palikod? Ano wish ng yung message yun yan kasaan. Message. Wish you. Tayo kin wish. Ganyan. Sino pa?
Jomelyn. Tungtong umat, Lionel. Mengganap tempat jaga nanti. Yalah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want wish you. Ano yung wish?
Wish all the best.
Sige. Tama. Pakik naman yung pag-iwan. Ang Jomelyn. Tama gano'n. Naman ibawas mo, Ma'am Jomelyn, kini to your husband. Muna ka po. Basahin mo na.
Okay, ako si Jomelyn Ortiano. Pinapangako ko na sa hirap at himbawa, mamahalin ko siya.
Sir?
Ako si Lionel Domingo na nagmamahal sa iyo. Pinapangako ko.
Nagsango kayo dito. Yan.
Pinapangako ko na mamahalin kita habang buhay sa hirap at ginawa.
Okay, sige. Follow after me, Sir Lionel. I hereby... face to face, yan. I hereby take you, Jomelyn.
I hereby
Take you, Jomelyn, to be my wife.
to be my wife,
To have and to hold.
to have and to hold,
To be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward.
From this day
Forward.
forward,
For better or for worse.
for better or for worse,
For richer or for poorer.
for richer or for poorer,
In sickness and in health.
and sickness and in
Health. to love
to love,
and to cherish
and to cherish
until we be parted by death.
until we
Be parted
parted
by death.
by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Okay, kasi na madam. I hereby take you, Lionel,
I hereby take you,
Lionel, to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we departed by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
By the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, all and Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, therefore confirm the bond of marriage which you have been conducted into, and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Sige, you may now kiss the bride. Sige. Sino ang picture? Okay. Si Kadbi lang.
Sige. 1, 2, 3.
Naala?
Minsan pa yan.
Naala.
Mali na ala. Nagtatabay. Uri lang ang huli.
Okay. Sige. Thank you. Nagiging witnesses ma, nagpirma dag witness kayo apo, nagiging witness.
For piano, for cat.
Wala na pang 7.
Wala.
Iti man.
Wait, mo.
Ni Mitch at paregi di puan po. Paregi din pa. Si Mitch po. 4 copies po, 4 copies. Congratulations. Congratulations. Picture kayo? Ay, picture. Okay, everybody. Okay, okay lang kayo.
Okay po. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa po.
With family na, with family. Big kayo na set, pag nung makita this is.
Yung couple lang po. Yung couple po. Tingnan po dito.